What's up, guys, and welcome back. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a live USB flash drive of Kali Linux. You're going to want to need a Win32 disk imager, and you're going to need a Kali Linux ISO file. I prefer using a 128 gigabyte because it's fast, reliable, and it's just plain simple great. But then you can also use a 32 gigabyte, which is absolutely great as well. But I'll put a couple links down below of USB flash drives that you can use to make this live bootable USB flash drive happen. So you're going to want to go to Win32 disk imager after you have plugged in your USB flash drive. You're going to want to click that after you have obtained these. So then here's your USB flash drive. Mine's already set on there because I already left mine plugged in. But you're going to want to click on the folder, go to your desktops, and where it says Kali Linux on your desktop, it's not here, so you want to click on this, click on the stars, get the ISO file, hit open, and then you're going to want to hit write. A warning's going to pop up. It says that you're going to basically delete all your information that you have on that USB flash drive, but that's okay because you're making a live USB flash drive of Kali Linux. So you're going to want to hit yes, and you're finished, you're complete. You did the live USB flash drive after it's done writing. And then you're going to want to take out the USB flash drive that you put in there. You want to take that out, turn off your computer, and plug in the USB flash drive. And voila, there you have it. But if you're too scared, you don't want to do this step, I'll put a couple links down below on already some pre-made USB flash drives.